specialty Corvette here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check this one out. So it's a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette C6 chassis. It's converted by Carl Custom Corvettes down in Iowa to appear as a 1967 C2 Corvette convertible. It's actually numbered 004R. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 36,944 is all. And beautiful job done on this car. Take a look at the front end. Very classic C2 look on that with the chrome bumpers, flip up headlights, that Stinger hood. And listen to this, underneath the hood, LS3 supercharged V8 power paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It's actually titled as a 2008. It was previously titled in California and Nevada, so this will pass emissions. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. I'll try to pronounce this right. I've never heard of these wheels before. It's riding on EVOD wheels, Michelin radials. You can see drilled rotors, Corvette calipers. There's a little change up from the C6. Look of the gills from the C2s. Let's take a look down the passenger side, and you can see this paint shows well. Nice shine to it, practically looks wet. So red exterior, ebony interior with the leather bucket seats. Of course, center console. Your modern amenities, navigation stereo system, heads-up display, driver's information center, heated seats, dual electronic climate control. You can see it also has shaved door handles. There's a popper over in the rear driver's side wheel well that will pop the door. Also has a power top, black fabric top. I'll show you how that works in a little bit. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And there's that classic C2 rear. Again, chrome bumper car. Nice storage area back here too. They've kept the rear storage compartment on a C6. Let me go ahead and pop this a second for us. And take a peek underneath there. It'll come with a car cover, but there's a decent storage area there. And once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. As we take a look up and down this driver's side again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 60% in the front, 70% in the rear. Let me go ahead, get this door pop for us. So here, let me show you first of all. So it's up in the wheel well, kind of right in this front portion. Pop this door. Door panels, of course, stock to the C6. So memory seating, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat over here on the driver's side. You can see seat condition, also nice shape. There's that Carl Custom badging with the 004R car number. Not going to see one of these every day. It'd be a fun one for your Corvette shows, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. And all those modern amenities. Yet it looks like an old Corvette. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So like I said, heads up display. You can see up there, I don't know if I can get to focus or not. There it is. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. 36,944 for miles. Gauges are working. Navigation stereo system. That is working. control, heated seats, 6-speed manual, dash looks good. That hood scoop from the Stinger hood, and power top. How cool is that? Nice, deep, throaty exhaust note on this one. Listen to this rumble. This one sounds great under throttle. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There it is. That supercharged LS3. Looks like an Edelbrock cold air intake. Hood liner looking clean. This thing's spotless underneath the hood. Boy, this is a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Battery's just a year old. This one's ready to go, no doubt about that. There's that little spot there talking about the windshield. So yeah, just actually looks like one was filled in. It's a little spot, couple little chips, very minor. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second, grab the tripod. I want to show you this top functioning. We'll check out the condition of that. And then, like I said, Jason's going to take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There you go, convertible top up, so power top functions as it should. Latch down above the windshield, nice tight fit. Like I said, black fabric, side windows up, so you can see nice tight fit there also. Come around to the rear glass, rear window, electric defog or defrost, whichever way you want to look at it. Nice tight fit on the body. Passenger side glass. No surprises on the top, what you'd expect with a clean Carfax, well taken care of and well maintained car. So there you go, C6 conversion to look like a C2. A lot of performance with that LS3 supercharged engine, clean Carfax. Previously titled California, Nevada. Please call with any questions. It's a beauty. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics, over 100 easily online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And stick around just a bit longer. I'll show you that top folding back down in the storage compartment. And Jason's going to take it for a spin.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, we're driving probably the nicest looking 2008 Chevrolet Corvette that I've ever seen. Combining the mid-60s look with the 2008 drivability is just perfect. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. You got a power adder on an LS engine under the hood. All the amenities and comfort of 2008 and the styling mixed in with those 60s Vettes that are just the best looking Vettes in my opinion. I only had her at like 3,500 RPM and we were up to speed in no time. I'm gonna put it in 5th for a little cruising speed. Now we do have the top down today. Hopefully you can hear me just fine with the wind. The lights on the dash are looking great. If there's any flickering, that's just our camera's frame rate. We have a stereo in the dash that's touch screen. All our gauges are working great. We're running at about 190 degrees. The oil pressure 40 to 45. The battery's charging at 14.5 volts. Fuel tank shows completely full. Nice low miles on this machine. Not very many of these out there. So much craftsmanship went into this. And you get all the reliability of the modern Corvette, modern 2008. Brakes are nice and smooth the way they should be. It's got a corner just like a 2008 Corvette should. Nice and flat, pull some G-force. We have a heads-up display in the windshield. Take it easy on the throttle. It's hard to do. It's so much fun to drive. I took it a little easy there. Leather bucket seats, everything you've come to expect in a Corvette, combined with the great styling in bright red, and it's a convertible. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.